Before submitting your feedback, take a moment to search or browse existing tickets submitted by other users. This helps avoid duplicates and allows you to support what you're looking for. You may find that someone has already requested exactly what you had in mind. If you find an idea you agree with, you can vote for it. Voting helps signal priority to the development team. The more support an idea receives, the more visibility it gains during planning and roadmap discussions. To vote, simply click on the number with the up arrow on the left of the actual ticket. If your issue or idea is not in the system, you can submit a new request directly through the portal by clicking on Submit Feedback. Confirm that you want to create a public ticket where you can create a bug or request a feature that others can see and vote on by clicking on the purple Continue button. Simply follow the simple steps on the page to submit your feedback. Make sure to be as clear and specific as possible when describing your idea. Include what problem it solves and how it would improve your workflow inside ScalePlus. One of the biggest benefits of the feedback portal is transparency. You can see the status of ideas, whether they are under review, planned, in progress, or completed. This keeps everyone informed and reduces uncertainty about what's being worked on. When submitting feedback, focus on clarity and constructive suggestions. The goal is not just to point out problems, but to propose improvements that helps every ScalePlus user. Clear and thoughtful feedback makes it easier for the team to evaluate and implement ideas effectively. We encourage you to explore existing ideas, cast your votes, and submit suggestions that help improve ScalePlus for the entire community.